How to use YesStyle Points 2025 Full Guide. Most people get this wrong by letting points expire or not knowing where to redeem them. The surprising truth is that YesStyle Points can significantly reduce your shopping costs when used strategically. Start by logging into your YesStyle account. You'll see your point balance in the dashboard. Each point equals roughly 1, but check for specific promotions that may increase value. You won't believe how fast small points add up over time. When shopping, add items to your cart and proceeds to checkout. During payment, you'll see an option to apply points. Enter the amount you want to use, keeping in mind minimum or maximum limits set by YesStyle. Confirm your order, and the points are deducted immediately, giving you instant savings. You can also earn points by writing product reviews, referring friends, or participating in seasonal promotions. Always track expiration dates, as points usually expire after a year of an activity. In conclusion, using YesStyle Points in 2025 is simple and effective when you plan your purchases, track balances, and combine points with discounts. Follow these steps to maximize your savings effortlessly.